Trials running.
Introduce yourself.
Malcolm.
Yeah, Malcolm. Yeah, Malcolm. As you can see, Malcolm's been around the clock a few times, but yeah, first time I've met him. Morning. I'm in West Jewel or Green Lanes, and I'm just waiting for these 3 Herberts that are. And I'm just waiting for these 3 Herberts that are making their way towards me. I couldn't be bothered to ride to Cafe Giro this morning. Morning. Hey, how's it going? You alright? Yeah, I'm alright, thanks, yeah. How's it going? Yeah. Urban gravel here, Longmead Road Estate, Epsom. Is it going to be a fast one today? .2k. Hello. Thanks. Another one here, man. Thank you. Yeah, I'm quite excited. Ooh, Jesus. Hi, one more, sorry. On the slow one. Thanks. Hit something. Oh, bad drone. Right, that's better now, look. Here's the jumps up ahead, covered in tarp. Aha! New trails next to the A road. Yeah. Okay, now look at that. Am I recording? Yes. That's a bit tight. Yeah. Road work. Good ride so far, enjoying it. Quite a fast pace, and I'm feeling a bit leggy today. I don't know if it's because I was out yesterday, but I'm kind of struggling to keep up with. I don't think we're going to shift that one, boys. Should have brought my trail saw.
A little sketchy.
Yeah. So where are we? Near Poleston Lacey, yeah. So just having a breather. I'm struggling up the climbs today. How's it for you today, Simon?
Yeah, good. Week off the bike, so good to be back out and with the lads.
Excellent. And Steve, you enjoyed it today, Steve?
Yeah, bluebells are out.
Yeah.
Just first time I've seen them, and trials running hot. It's great.
Good, good. What's not to like?
He's just on silly whizzing.
He is.
Tell him he's a show.
We didn't realise you knew him as well.
Oh, he knows that.
We didn't realise you knew him as well.
A silly show off. That's Simon. $27k. Come on, Rich. Same place. Look how well this has dried. This was utterly like the Somme 3 weeks ago. Hi guys, you alright? Smile. Look at that, bit of history in, where are we?
Cobham.
Cobham, yeah. Barnes Wallace, wasn't it, I think? Dan Busters created the bouncing bomb. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, sure. New trails. Oh, nice. Yeah. Got this stick. Oh. What's going on with the chain? That's better.
Oh, that's fresh. Hola.
Alright. Go past and I'll wait for Malcolm. And we're back. Come on, Malcolm.
Good ride.
Yeah, good ride. Good ride, Malcolm.
Thank you very much.
That's all right. I'm just saying to the camera, but they've handed me my arse on a plate, all three of you today. So made it back to 0. Bit of cake and some coffees, and yeah, good ride. I've got to get home yet, but for me, that's it. Cheers.